Learn Gujarati transport words. Traffic to.
Train badalvi.
For English speakers. Welcome to the road adventure. Hey, you are about to survive a very dramatic day of travel and learn Gujarati on the way. Good news. No real traffic jam can trap your brain today. Our hero leaves home with confidence, one shoe slightly untied, and exactly 3% too much optimism. First problem, heavy.
Traffic.
Then a narrow.
Sheri.
Then a busy.
Choraho.
With a blinking.
Traffic light.
After that comes the.
Bus stop.
The mysterious.
Samay patrak.
The all-important.
Ticket.
And finally the great travel skill.
Train badalvi.
Yes, this chapter has everything except a teleportation device. Your 8 key words. Let's meet today's words clearly and calmly. Repeat after each one like a cool traveler who definitely knows where they are going. Traffic equals.
Traffic.
Street equals.
Sheri.
Intersection equals.
Choraho.
Traffic light equals.
Traffic light.
Bus stop equals.
Bus stop.
Timetable equals.
Samay patrak.
Ticket equals.
Ticket.
Change trains equals.
Train badalvi.
Scene 1. The road fights back. Picture yourself walking outside, ready for a smooth trip. Naturally, the city has other plans. There is a lot of
Traffic.
on this road. Morning.
Traffic.
Is always slow. We were late because of
Traffic.
Then you turn into a small.
Sheri.
The children are playing in the.
Sheri.
Our house is on this.
Sheri.
The
Sheri.
is full of lights at night. Nice, right? Unless one goat is judging your walking style. Scene 2. The Great Crossing. Now you reach the place where roads meet, horns sing, and everyone suddenly becomes a philosopher about right-of-way. The cars stopped at the.
Choraho.
Turn left at the.
Choraho.
There is a.
Traffic light.
At the.
Choraho.
The car stopped at the.
Traffic light.
The.
Traffic light.
Turned green. We crossed the road after the.
Traffic light.
Changed. Remember, red means stop, green means go, and yellow means the universe enjoys suspense. Scene 3. Waiting like a professional. You made it to public transport. Now comes the ancient travel art of standing somewhere and pretending you are not impatient. I am waiting at the.
Bus stop.
The.
Bus stop.
Is near the school. We met at the.
Bus stop.
A. Where should I wait? B. Wait at the.
Bus stop.
If you stand somewhere else and wave confidently at random buses, that is not advanced fluency. That is cardio. The timetable mystery. Now let's solve the great puzzle of numbers, times, and tiny print. You are brave, and your eyes are doing their best. I checked the.
Samay patrak.
Before leaving the station. The bus.
Samay patrak.
Is posted near the door. Please read the.
Samay patrak.
Carefully. A.
Samay patrak.
Is a map of time. A clock gives one time, a.
Samay patrak.
Gives many times. Very useful, unless you enjoy surprise journeys to the wrong city. Never forget the ticket. This next word may be small, but forgetting it can turn you into a very sad poet at the station entrance. I bought a.
Ticket.
For the train. Please show your.
Ticket.
At the door. The movie.
ticket,
was expensive. A
ticket,
is a small key that opens the door to a journey. Without a
ticket,
you cannot enter, with one, the door opens. Tiny paper, enormous power. Platform panic. Change trains. Now for the final boss of transport vocabulary. Stay calm, grab your bag, and try not to follow the crowd into a snack shop by accident. We need to.
train badalvi,
At the next station. If you miss the stop, you cannot.
train badalvi,
There. The sign says to.
train badalvi,
For the airport line. A. Where do we go now? B. We must.
train badalvi,
At this station. To keep going forward on your trip, sometimes you must stop in.
train badalvi,
Deep, practical, and slightly sweaty. Quick memory drill. Let's test your memory fast. Answer before I do, and if you get one wrong, just pretend the audio was in heavy traffic. What is the Gujarati word for traffic?
traffic,
What is the Gujarati word for street?
sheri,
What is the Gujarati word for intersection?
choraho,
What is the Gujarati word for traffic light?
traffic light,
What is the Gujarati word for bus stop?
bus stop,
What is the Gujarati word for timetable?
samayapatrak,
What is the Gujarati word for ticket?
ticket,
How do you say change trains in Gujarati?
train badalvi,
Mini dialogue on the move. Now hear the words working together in one silly but useful travel moment. You can repeat each line if you want. A. Why are you late? B. Because of.
traffic,
A. Is this the right?
sheri,
B. No, go to the.
choraho,
And turn left. A. Can we cross now? B. Wait, the.
traffic light,
Is still red. A. Where should I wait? B. At the.
bus stop,
A. Where can I see the train times? B. Check the.
samayapatrak,
A. Do you have the.
ticket,
B. Yes, and I checked 3 times because I do not trust my pockets. A. Is this our final train? B. No, we need to.
train badalvi,
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You traveled through the vocabulary jungle and came back with useful Gujarati words instead of just emotional damage. Today you practiced.
traffic, sheri, choraho, traffic light, bus stop, samayapatrak, ticket,
And.
train badalvi.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and next time you travel, may you have the right platform, the right.
ticket,
And absolutely no unnecessary.
traffic,